Specifically developed to deliver new levels of versatility, performance and cost-effectiveness to plate processing, the Gemini is today the most innovative solution for the fabrication of plates for many varied industries. The Gemini's high performance is aimed at accomplishing common tasks very well without the addition of excessive investment. Most holes are less than 32 mm diameter, or 1¼ inches, and 90% of all plate work is on material less than 40 mm, or 1½ inches thick. So the Gemini high performance is maximised for these specific tasks. However, the versatility of the Gemini HP has no significant limitations on the actual type of work that it is requested to perform. Not only is the Gemini fast, it is extremely accurate. Hole-to-hole tolerance of approximately 0.05 mm or 0.002 of an inch are achieved, and a cutting accuracy of better than 0.75 mm or 0.03 of an inch can be achieved depending on material quality. The Gemini's outstanding trait, though, is its versatility. The combination of the U-axis and the patented Ficep scribing tool allows fast marking of piece part identification, which can be seen after painting, and also a lighter mark can be used to indicate bend lines, weld locations and index marks for aligning one part to another, or even part IDs to eliminate assembly mistakes. The production of plates that are drilled, marked, beveled, milled and cut in accordance with the required tolerances in one work cell is recognised as the most lean and productive solution in today's manufacturing environment. The reduction of the processing dead times, where no additional value is added, is becoming a must in today's industry to increase a firm's competitiveness and to achieve the required quality control and lean manufacturing. For these reasons, Ficep, the worldwide leader in the manufacturing of machine tools for steel fabrication, has added to its wide range of CNC plate production centres a family of integrated CNC gantry work cells for plates. The Gemini Model HP has been designed with the aim to integrate all the functions which are required in plate fabrication. The ability to start with raw material and end with the finished part after completion of all the necessary operations, such as drilling, milling, marking and cutting of the part to the desired size and shape, is what makes the Gemini truly unique. The Gemini Model HP consists of a twin bridge frame that includes a drilling head, tool changer, plasma cutting unit and oxy-fuel cutting units that are capable of processing plates from 5 mm or 1/4 inch up to 75 mm or 3 inches in thickness and 8 or 10 feet in width. Higher thicknesses are also possible by choosing the corresponding options. Lengths of more than 24 meters or 80 feet are also possible. A laser measuring system is used to detect the position of the plate on the machine bed and avoid any reprogramming or requirement to align or reference the material against a datum line or clamps. Together with the wide-range material clamp, it makes the Gemini HP very easy to use and extremely accurate. The automatic linear tool changer, which can provide up to 8 different tools, automatically indexes by program command to provide the required tool to the drilling head. A high-performance machining spindle capable of up to 8,000 RPM with a ball screw feed adds significant capabilities to the Gemini HP plate center. This high-performance capability of the spindle permits the full utilization of carbide insert tools or solid tool steel drills for drilling at feed rates of up to 2,000 mm per minute or 75 inches per minute. The machining capability of the spindle can also generate surface milling, helical milling, rigid tapping or edge milling, which is typically used for weld preparation. The auxiliary U-axe that makes this machine unique in the world brings a higher level of accuracy and versatility at the moment of generating holes with diameters bigger than 32mm or 1 inch and a quarter up to 240mm or 9 inches. In fact, the possibility of machining the workpiece without moving the gantry and the piece permits tapping on holes up to 240mm or 9 inches with great accuracy. Also, tools such as countersinking can be employed when addressing holes that were previously drilled. Tapping of holes can also be accomplished with the machining spindle on the Gemini HP using standard tapping tools, a thread milling cutter or a circular thread milling cutter with inserts. The machining spindle can also be utilised with a carbide marking tool to not only generate characters for part marking but also for scribing to indicate the required layout locations. The required holes in the nested parts are drilled, helical milled, and the additional machining operations are also completed. An automated chip removal suction device systematically clears the plate surface and deposits the chips into a dedicated bin collector. A hypertherm plasma torch is immediately utilised to contour the parts from the nested stock plate. The Ficep nesting software, WinNest, allow any sort of automatic and semi-automatic nesting to optimize performances and processing strategies. The common cut or negative bridging capabilities minimize the skeleton and scrap to saving tons of material. Prior to starting the plasma cutting process, the actual top surface of the plate is laser probed to determine the optimum torch position for plunging or starting from an edge. During the plasma cutting process, algorithms in the Ficep proprietary software monitors the power to the torch and a servo adjusts its height position accordingly. The system can be provided with different high-definition hypertherm solutions, such as the HPR130XD, HPR260XD, or the HPR400XD for processing plates up to 65mm or 2.5 inches in thickness. Plate thicknesses in excess of 65mm or 2.5 inches can be processed with an oxy-fuel cutting system or with multiple oxy torches for strip cutting or multiple equal parts cutting. The implementation of the operations of drilling, helical drilling, milling, countersinking, rigid tapping, part marking, scribing, layout marking, plasma cutting, and oxy-fuel burning makes the Gemini high-performance Model HP from Ficep the most comprehensive plate fabrication system on the market today. With employee costs mounting daily and the limited availability of reliable skilled labour, it's not too soon to find out more about how this system can enhance your competitive strategy in today's market.